30%. Monday, partly sunny in the morning, then clearing. Cooler with highs in the mid-40s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. A urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, Erie County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Painesville to near Strasburg, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Erie, Youngstown, Warren, Ashtabula, Meadville, Conneaut, Salem, Columbiana, Geneva-on-the-Lake, Boardman, Niles, Campbell, Hubbard, Canfield, Cortland, Corry, Edinburgh, Titusville, Newton Falls, and Sebring. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across northeast Ohio. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Mahoning, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford and Erie. The forecast for northeast